I'm JC. I'm here at Camp Flight with Dolly. This is Dolly. She is a Jerusalem donkey. She falls in the equine family because she's kind of like a horse, but not really. This is Mama Junior. They have been here. Well, Mama Junior's been here at camp ever since she was a baby. Mama's been here for a couple of years now. And their markings are very similar. Okay, their eyes are rectangular so they can see at 320 to 340 to help see their predators.
This is Lizzie. She loves to be petted on the neck and behind the horns, and she loves to run, eat, and tip over stuff and headbutt.
Something very interesting about Lizzie is she's partly blind and partly deaf. She is a fainting goat. Something very interesting about fainting goats is whenever they get nervous, their back legs tense up and they get paralyzed and fall over.
Hello there, Camp Light campers. Tawny and I would like to say hello. We missed seeing you in person this year, but luckily Kelly came out so that you guys can at least see that we still look the same as we did last summer. Tawny has been busy giving lessons here on the farm since she can't come see you guys every week. She's still having to work, but hopefully we'll get to see you guys next year again, and we really look forward to it. All right, here we are taking a little ride on Tawny. Give you guys a little virtual ride since we're not getting to do our rides around the arena at camp this year. But aren't those pretty little ears we're getting to look through? And some of you might remember how we cluck to make them go. We just cluck a little bit just to walk, and we would do more if we wanted to go faster. And then when we wanted to stop, who remembers what to say? We say, whoa. And then she stops. And then we keep going. It's such a pretty day here on the farm. And always a pretty day when you get to ride.
visiting one of our horse friends right down the road from us. This is Barney. He brushes tail and mane just like you would your own hair. Small, easy strokes get all tangles and knots out. And you even condition it and shampoo it just like you would your own hair. So there's two different brushes. This one's used for his mane and tail, and this one's used for finishing and getting little fine dust off. And this one's used for more of the mud and dirt and clumps like that. As you can see here, as I'm brushing, you can see the shine coming out through his coat because it's being brushed more and more to get all the oils out. I am here with a real movie star. This is Hale Bopp. He goes by Boppy. He was in a movie called A Gift Horse. He is such a sweetheart. This is Bucky, and right now he is getting his dinner. Ready, boys? Thank you for visiting with us.